In this video, I will tell you about duct vacuum, so make sure to watch the video until the very end. It acts as an outdoor cleaning solution promising to simplify household chores with its unique design and powerful suction capabilities. But is this product truly legit or a consumer being misled? Starting with a positive review, many users have expressed satisfaction with the vacuum performance. Its lightweight design and maneuverability make it easy to handle. Even in tight spaces, customers have reported impressive suction power, effectively picking up dirt, debris, and pet hair from various surfaces. The vacuum versatility, including attachment for different cleaning tasks, has also been highlighted as a significant advantage. Users appreciate that it can handle both carpets and hard floors with ease. However, there are important concerns to consider before purchasing. Some users have reported issues with durability, nothing that the vacuum can feel flimsy and may not hold up all over the time. Complaints about the vacuum motor losing suction after the repeated use also surfaced, raising questions about its long-term effectiveness. Additionally, customer service experience have been mixed. Some buyers have encountered challenges in getting timely responses or resolution when facing issues with their product. The lack of reliable support can be frustrating, especially for customers who expect prompt assistance. Another point of concern is the marketing tactic used by the vacuum. Some professional or the promotional materials feature exaggerated exclaim that about the vacuum capability, leading to the skepticism among potential buyers whether it can deliver on its promise. In conclusion, the duct vacuum has general positive feedback for its cleaning performance. Concern regarding durability and customer service suggests that the potential buyer should approach with caution. If you are considering this vacuum, it's wise to research thoroughly, read multiple reviews, and the wedge of pros and cons to ensure meet your cleaning needs effectively. And that's it.